Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing living Lord Mahavishnu Dasa Avatar Shaligrams. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing beautiful, amazing collection. Amazing, powerful, extreme energy collection. Extreme energy collection. Dasa Avadaram collection of the Saligram. Dasa Avadaram collection of Saligram. Beautiful collection, extremely realistic collection. It takes very long time for collecting such a Saligram. Beautiful, wonderful collection. Dasa Avadaram collection of Saligram. This Matsya Avadar, Karma Avadar, Varaga Avadar, Narsimha Avadar, Vamana Avadar, Parashrama Avadar, Rama Avadar, Balrama Avadar, Buddha Avadar, and Kalki Avadar. It is a real Avadar of Mahavishnu. All 10 Avadars Mahavishnu is live here. All 10 Avadars of Mahavishnu is live here. Live Avadar of Lord Mahavishnu. 10 Avadar of Mahavishnu in Saligram. All are unique Ragast collection. Now we can see in detail the live Avadar of Mahavishnu. Matsya Avadar of Mahavishnu is a Avadar of fish. Matsya Avadar of fish. Karma Avadar of Lord Mahavishnu is a tortoise Saligram. You can see the chakra on the both the side. Unique collection. Karma Avadar of Mahavishnu. Here Varaga Avadar of Mahavishnu is a pig head. It is a double chakra Saligram. Unique collection. It's a pig head. Varaga Avadar of Mahavishnu. It's a Narsimha Avadar of Mahavishnu. You can see the real line. The real line in this Saligram. It is double chakra Saligram. Chakra 1, chakra 2, and 3. So 3 chakra Saligram it is. You can see the very clear line in this Saligram. It's a Narsimha Saligram. Narsimha Avadar of the Mahavishnu. It's a Vamana Avadar of Mahavishnu. Vamana Avadar is dwarf. It is a dwarf. See, big belly and head. Dwarf Saligram. Vamana Avadar of Mahavishnu. Very powerful. It is a Parashrama Saligram. Parashrama Saligram. It is, you can see the axe-like image. This axe. This shape of the axe which Parashrama have, and it is called Parashrama Saligram. Parashrama Avadar of Mahavishnu. And this Rama Avadar of Mahavishnu. Rama always with Sita. It is Rama, Sita. Rama and Sita. And it's a double chakra Saligram. Very rare collection. Rama and Sita. And you can see some images like a bow. Rama and Sita. It's a Rama Avadar of Mahavishnu. It's a Balram Avadar of Mahavishnu. It's a shape of the axe which Balram all time have with him. That is called Balram Avadar of Saligram. It's a Balram Avadar of Mahavishnu. It's a Buddha Avadar of Mahavishnu. Bottom lotus, top Buddha sitting. It is a Buddha Avadar of Mahavishnu. It's a Kalki Avadar of Mahavishnu. Kalki Avadar all time Vishnu has horse with this. You can see horse shape. This Saligram is like a horse head, and it's a double chakra Saligram. Rare collection. The shape of horse head, and it's called Kalki Avadar of Mahavishnu Saligram. Here a total real living Avadar of Mahavishnu. Dasa Avadaram. In Dasa Avadaram, Mahavishnu have 5 animals and 5 humans. In animals, you can see fish, pig, tortoise, horse, and lion. And in 5 humans comes Rama, Parashuram, Vamana, Balram, and Buddha. Superb collection, wonderful collection, totally full of energy, positive vibration. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.